It's our research on gas measurement, and so I'm basically a gas measurement expert, and our work is applied to ecological contexts where we're interested in greenhouse gases coming from melting permafrost and that sort of thing, and measuring those gases is difficult.
I think that his style of running his research group is very unique, but like I said, it does foster this very rapid growth. So
I think what Dave does in particular is really trust individuals to take on big roles, even if they don't necessarily know that they can do that. So there's a lot of independence.
You're compelled to do things individually, and you ask him for help only if you need it, but he doesn't really give you a straight answer. It's more of just, here's the right pathway to go on.
The most important part of being a good mentor, I think, is to be able to listen and monitor really carefully, to be able to allow them to be independent and to make mistakes and see how they're navigating, but then to always be able to catch them without them knowing that you're working around the margins.
He steps in just at the right moment, no matter what the situation is, and I think that helps students and other researchers definitely think and try and solve problems by themselves, and it also has allowed me to gain a lot of motivation and a lot of confidence in both my leadership but also my academic and research.
At this small university, we're different than other small universities in that we allow for scalable research, so we can develop these sort of huge research programs and operate them somehow in tandem with our academic programming, and it really works.
He knows what people are good at, and he'll put you in the right situation so that you can be better. But I think he also likes to make people aware of what they are good at too, which is a good confidence boost to have.
Looking back as somebody who would describe myself as an introvert, to see somebody who I respect so much describe myself as somebody who's sociable and brings people together is a real compliment. So I think that comes along with being at a school like StFX that really highlights those connections and allows you to lean on people that are really good people.
So once we've gone through that process, then I can really trust them. I know I've identified what they're good at. We've been able to transfer skills where maybe they weren't good at those things originally, and then they can go off and be the lab's representatives around the world. So whether it's the North Pole or South Pole or anywhere in between.